Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to share something with you. I've been working on this for the last 3 or 4 months and I'm really excited to bring you back to basics. It's a self-paced online photography class all about black and white still life photography. So I know a lot of you know me for my portraits, but I have quite a few self-paced online photography classes for still life. So this one I've just released, so I just thought I would give you a look and a walkthrough. So this is the page. If you go there, you can click on it. It tells you a little bit about it, who this class is for, common questions and concerns, what's included, the course curriculum. So I go through the foundations of still life and it's broken down into different lessons there. I go through understanding your light, how light behaves, but I also cover working with constant light, working with flash and working with natural light. Shooting in black and white, we discuss camera profiles, how to use them, why to use them, and applying and adjusting profiles in Lightroom Classic. Then we get into the project. So there's seeing tone. I go through, there's a behind the scenes of the project, how I set it up, what I did, what you need to go do for this lesson, and then I go through the image review on the images that I took. Then we discuss hard versus soft. Again, this is another project with another image review, so there's all behind the scenes videos for all of these. Then we discuss shape, silhouette, we go into negative space, again more projects, more image reviews. Then we have a look at editing. So we go through editing black and white in Lightroom Classic and not just putting a presets on it, although you can. We also go through using camera profiles and how to get the most out of your black and white. We then also have a little look at some plugins and things like that. There are discount codes, there are bonus textures, bonus Photoshop actions, things like that many people who have done my classes have come to love. Then I go through, so we've got 4 foundations of black and white. So you've got black on black, white on white, black on white, white on black. So lots of different projects and things that you can go and play with there. And then we have a look at creating more of a fine art look. So we start taking a look at gobos and we discuss what they are, how to get them or how to make them, and also adding in your flowers into your images as opposed to just using plain simple vases as your props. And I also go through how to add textures and things like that to make it a little more fine art. So it is quite a lot. There's over 3 hours of video content alone. There's 37 lessons and it's just $99. You can work on all of this in your own pace, in your own space. You don't need lots of things. I have gone back to basics. There's literally a couple of bits of project paper and some cheap vases that I picked up. Some of them I even got from the thrift store and then I painted them to get the color that I wanted. So if you would love to have a little look at doing an online class, then maybe this one might be for you, especially if you want to hone your skills and really take it back to basics, looking at light, looking at shadow, looking at tone, looking at shape, looking at negative space and all of that. Back to basics, black and white, still life might be the class for you. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed a little behind the scenes on this class, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.